Did you know that when God was creating Jamaica, he had to sit down and carefully plan this one out? Because how can this little bit of people have so much impact on the whole world? Billions of people. That cannot be by chance. No, sir, it must be by design. Which other nation have some of this greatness, this influence and power without using weapons? God did not hide power in weapons. He hid it in Jamaicans. And here's a real situation. Everybody wants to be, or at least feel like a Jamaican. And that's not nationalism. That's a magnetic pull of greatness. When God designed Jamaicans, he placed greatness, charisma, creativity, speed, resilience in one DNA strand. And science will never explain us. Listen, Jamaica is not just an island. It's the garden where God planted influence. Because influence this strong, you can't teach this in a school. This have to be born.
From being an influential country in this world, Jamaica, everybody now wants to be a part of the Jamaican family. By now, I believe all of you know my identity. First time viewers and subscribers, I'm Marvin, and please and kindly feel free to hit the subscribe icon below and follow my page. You can as well share this video to your family and friends if you find it educative, of value and of essence. And also, don't forget to like this video up. On today's episode, we will be discussing why suddenly is everyone have the urge to be a Jamaican. We clearly know Jamaica is full of natural resources. We all know Jamaica is full of good music, the Jamaican dancehall, the reggae music, and the manner in which they talk. From our childhood, I believe all of us grew up knowing about the Jamaican people, and we grew up wanting to be like them. We respect Jamaicans, we respect the Black American family also, because I believe they go hand in hand in this wonderful planet. For it rising to where it is right now, Jamaica is beginning to be talked globally. No one in this wonderful planet doesn't know about Jamaica. The Black Americans also respect the Jamaican family. They continue to uplift each other. They continue to also love each other. This page is to uplift the Black American family, to uplift the Black Jamaican people, and also to uplift Black people around this wonderful planet. We are all here to uplift each other. No one is supposed to be left down. Also, let's listen to the following videos. Listen carefully and come back at the end and support this topic today. Let's watch.
Everyone wants to be Jamaican. If I was born anywhere else in this world, I would sue my parents. He think God biased because Jamaicans are his favorite people. No cap. Cause why Jamaica so enough? Everything we are going with in, everything we are more dominate. Jamaica have the prettiest, the sexiest, the funniest, the smartest, the most handsome, the best chef, the best artist. I travel a lot and there's no country I go where them not play Jamaican music, or I don't see a Jamaican flag or a Jamaican restaurant. Like, anyone that disagree, plain 8, jealousy. Bad man I go kill no. Come to Jamaica for your coconut.
Why do people wanna be Jamaican so badly, bro? This shit don't make sense, bro. Like, bro, don't you like your own culture, bro? Yeah, I'm trying to say, like, bro, all you people be fucking forcing the Jamaican slang, like, every day. Moving like you're trying to be Jamaican, be like, Bumbacla, take me for some real Jamaican boy. Like, bro, it's not every day, man. Yeah, I'm trying to say. Like, bro, on the things, yeah, Shatiro gets me mad the most. It's the white guys that be saying, yeah, I'm 1% Jamaican. And they be speaking Jamaican like, bro, you ain't 1% for shit, bro. You're 100% Scottish. You're 100% Irish, bro. There's no Jamaican in you, bro. You know what I'm trying to say? Like, be happy of your culture, bro. For example, see me, yeah, I'm fucking Nigerian, you know what I'm trying to say? And obviously, I'm Nigerian and I'm proud, you know what I'm trying to say? I don't be forcing the Jamaican slang. Like, look, Jamaica, it's a good country, man. I give it to them. But obviously, my country's better, you know what I'm trying to say? I'm not gonna, and obviously, you guys, no one can tell me, you guys cannot get onto me by saying, oh, bun Nigeria shit. Like, bro, I'm not gonna vouch for some next up country I'm not from, you know what I'm trying to say? I vouch for the country I'm from, you know what I'm trying to say? So stop trying to be Jamaican, bro. Just be the ethnicity you're from, whether it's like a shit ethnicity. Because at the end of the day, you can't change that ethnicity, bro, you know what I'm trying to say? You gotta stay with that, and yeah, man. So, yeah. Stop trying to wanna be Jamaicans, man. For real. Safe.
I just gotta do this public service announcement right here. Listen, if you don't have a Jamaican friend, just find a Jamaican friend, at least one. I'm gonna tell you a couple of reasons why. One, Jamaicans keep it real. You'll never have to wonder. Two, the music. It's amazing. I mean, you guys probably already heard a lot of, reggae, but there's a lot more where that came from. It's awesome. Three, this might be the most important one right here. The food. If they're cool with you, they might invite you over to their family. They may make you a meal. And I think if you eat the food, your life is probably going to be forever different, honestly. So, find a Jamaican friend, get one, get two, get three, get four, get five. My life has only been made better by knowing Jamaicans. And my wife is Jamaican, I guess you would say. So, hey, I lucked out.
If you can't be a Jamaican, you can as well look for a Jamaican friend. They will welcome you to their family. They will make you feel like a Jamaican, a true Jamaican icon. This page is all about uplifting the Jamaican people. It is all about uplifting the Black American family, and it is all about uplifting every black person in this wonderful planet, because the white supremacists are always coming to attack the black people. But now, in today's episode, let us focus on Jamaicans. Why is it that suddenly majority of people in this wonderful planet want and admire to be Jamaican? Would you want to be a Jamaican? Is it because you don't like your own race? Is it because you don't like your country? I myself, I am Kenyan born, but I respect and love my country. But I grew up wanting to be Jamaican family because I love their music, I love their culture, I love the manner in which they talk, and I also love the manner in which they carry themselves in this wonderful regime. Also, let me know your response on the comment section below. Let's engage, let's share, let's comment, let's talk more, and I will humbly respond to you each and every comment today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to family and friends. See you on the next episode, where I will continue to uplift Jamaican people around this wonderful planet, and will also continue to uplift the Black American family, because they deserve the best out of this world. See you and goodbye.